All right, so I'm going to teach you how to publish your website from your computer to the web. All right, so first things first, I would like you to prepare your website. So we already did a few, and I advise you to create your own website already. So make sure that it's in a project folder. So this is just an example, the one that I did just for the footer part, but I hope this would be a good example. So inside the footer folder or the project folder, we do have all the things that we need. You can actually include all the photos under images folder. The most important thing here is that we do have our HTML file here, which is named footer.individual. Have it named as index, okay, .html. So it has to be index, guys, for this to work, right? Okay, so I have it here. I'm gonna open GitHub. I already told you guys to sign up to GitHub. Make sure to sign up using your Google. Okay, so it'll be easier. You actually can upload or publish your website via GitHub, but for now, I'm gonna show you how to do that through Netlify. So once you already have a GitHub account, let's open Netlify. And the easiest way to publish a web or the easiest way to sign up for Netlify is via GitHub. All right, so you need to sign up, and then please do not choose the sign up via email. Please choose sign up via GitHub. All right, it's way much quicker. It won't ask you a lot of things. Okay, so for example, once you've already sign up. This is going to be your dashboard. So you have some navigation here. All you need to go to is, by the way, if you are asked to create a team, just go ahead and ask. Just go ahead and create a team. All right. If you're asked to pay for something, please skip that part. You don't need to pay for this free um, feature. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to sites or just click the add new site button here. Okay, so once you add new site, since we already have an existing project, as I told you before, I prepared it here. I created it via VS Code, or you can create it through other editors. All right, code editor. In my case, it's via VS Code. I'm gonna import an existing project. Okay, so we do have a lot of options here. We do have deploy with GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, DevOps, but we're not gonna choose any of these. Instead, I want you to look here, get started another way. So click on try Netlify drop. This is actually the fastest way for you to publish your website, okay, from a file. So as you can see, there is a drop down, a drop circle here. All you need to do is to drag your file folder. Okay, so this is your folder. Inside the folder, you have your HTML, CSS, and all the elements that you put in it, like the images. You just need to drag the whole folder here. Okay, di yata nag-drag, but let me. Yeah, and there you go. So let's just wait for it to update and upload, and you will have your live website. Okay, so this is already live. Now, how do we know what the URL is or the domain? Okay, let's go to site configuration. There you go. So ito na po yung ating website URL. All right? So that's tangerine dash mam owl d4a78 dot netlify dot app. Now I want you guys to change the site name. All right? So where do you go? Kasi ito na yung magiging pinaka-link natin. But I want you to change that. So go here under site information, site details, site information, and then click the change site name. All right? So once you click that, you will be able to change your the first part of the URL. So I want you guys, just for requirement purposes, name your website as follows: Telecall, TELECALL dash your batch 36, right? And then dash your last name and first name. For example, your last name is Cruz and your first name is John. So no spaces, okay? In a URL, you are not supposed to have spaces. Okay, instead use a dash if you really want to. So telecall dash 36 dash cruise John, so we can identify that this website is yours, and then kindly save it. But you can use any, okay, if you want to have your portfolio, the website that you've created to be shown to your client or prospect client, feel free to upload another one and change it to your desired name. For example, what example? My portfolio, etc., etc. Okay, it's up to you guys. But for this demonstration purposes and for your final assessment, I would like you to change this site name to this one, Telecol that 36 dash Cruise John. All right. So let's see if it's reflecting here. Ito na, nasa pinakataas na siya ng site configuration. Ito yung in-upload kong sample. So this is going to be your website's URL. So when you click on that, ayan na siya. So libre na yung hosting, guys. You don't need to pay for anything here. You don't need to pay for the the name, the main name or the URL. Okay, it's free. But if you want to actually change it, personalize it, like mine, www.edison-gabrido.com. So you actually need to pay for the services for the name. All right. But since this is just free and just for demonstration purposes, yeah, there you go. That's your website, right? hmm So that's how you upload the HTML, CSS to online, publish it online. All right. So I'm gonna show you na para naman dun sa Canva, okay? If you want to upload your website created through Canva, well, basically this is not a website. This is a wireframe, but I changed some of the text, so maybe this is a prototype. All right. I don't think this is it. Let me change. There you go. Okay, so you already have prepared your kunyari lang, you prepared your website here in Canva, but I do not suggest Canva because it's domain. Ang hirap niyang anuhin. Although it's easy to pay for your domain here, but it's difficult when it comes to handling the elements, the images, the videos. Medyo mabagal siya mag-load. Maybe it's because of their server. So just in case you want to use this and your design is here, all you need to do, guys, is to open your project or open your template, your website. As you can see there, that's your website. Um, we need to make sure that all the sections here, for example, this one, this one, and this, and so on and so forth, has name, page name. So how do you do that? You just need to go to here, notes, and then make sure that every section that you want to include in your navigation is named. For example, ito kunyari, hindi to about ha, but just for an example, this is about. So let's change it to about. Ayan, about yan. Kasi pag blank yan, una pa lang, ganito ang itsura niya. Page 2, add page title. So let's add page title. Let's put about. Okay. And then this one, I put new releases. This one would be sample, just a sample billboard. This one would be featured music. For this one, it's events, and this one is a footer, but just for demonstration purposes, I named it as contact us. All right, just for demonstration. Okay, so what does it do? So what it does is like it creates navigation. Alright? So navigation, halimbawa wala kayong navigation link or navigation bar, nav bar, here's what we can do. As you can see, meron siyang automatic navigation sa taas. Alright? So when you click home, you go here, about here, new releases, you go to new releases, billboard, featured music, events, contact us. Alright? That's what it does. And ang kagandahan niyan for mobile, hindi mobile responsive masyado si Canva, but at least it's trying its best. So, let's appreciate it. So, if you will see yung ating navigation, fixed navigation bar sa taas, naging um, side nav. No, so naging hamburger na lang siya kasi mobile siya. And then meron siyang side nav. So when you click here, it goes there. When you click on events, it goes to events. Okay. Uh, Not really, really bad when it comes to being responsive, but as you can see, nawawala yung alignment. So that's not a good, uh, maybe programming of Canva when it comes to transitioning to mobile view. All right, so let's close this one. And mhm. Now, if you want to instead use that automatic navigation bar from Canva, you can actually create your own navigation here. But how do you link it within the page or within a different page? So all you need to do is, for example, this one. Let me try to link events, for example. Let me delete the links that I set. Hey, why are you not deleting? Alright. So kunyari wala pa yung kahit na anong link. When I click this, I want to go here to events kasi ito yung events nasa last part. So ang gagawin ko is right click and then click link and choose here. Kung makikita nyo, nandito yung mga pages ng document. So, pinangalanan ko siya kanina, kaya kita ko siya dito. So, 6 events, yun ang pipiliin ko. Done. And once you preview it, yun na yung magkakaroon na siya ng link. So when you click, for example, let's go to desktop view. When you click events, it goes to events. All right. Same for the other elements. Like for example, you want this button to go somewhere, to go to certain section of the page, or if you want to if you want multi-page website, you can actually enter here the URL. For example, it is let's say streamcast.com/ sign up. If you have a separate sign up page, then you can put it here. Okay. Since I didn't create, this is just a wireframe, a high fidelity wireframe, so I'm not gonna link that. Okay. As you can see, once you linked, it will automatically do an underline. So just click once again the underline, so it will matatanggal yung underline niya. All right. So basically, that's how you do that. Create the navigation link. Now let's go ahead and publish it to the web. So it's a lot simpler when it comes to Canva rather than the Netlify. All you need to do is to click here, the publish website. All right. But if you don't see publish website because you're under my premium account, you can just click send to teacher if you don't have this option, okay? Either ways, it will go to me or here. If it will go here, all you need to do is to make sure that the resize on mobile box is ticked or may check. And then please choose, it's up to you. If you already have here navigation at na-link nyo naman, you can do without navigation. Kaya lang, one of the criteria for our assessment is that you have to have what do you call that? Navigation functionality, as well as mobile responsiveness. So it would be better if you will utilize the navigation. So para lalabas yung hamburger. Kasi ito hindi, walang function to eh. All right. So choose with navigation for the moment, and then choose free domain, and then continue. Now, automatically your site will be test.ph.my.canva.site. Okay, kasi libre lang to, guys. Hindi ko kasi pwede ko kayong bigyan ng domain kaya lang mahirap siya. I-send nyo sa akin, ibabalik ko sa inyo, and then yung file ikokopyahin ko. So for us to make it a little bit easier, just put in here, okay, free domain na lang. Ito na lang test.ph.mycanva.site. And then let's choose or kung ano man ang URL na magiging default nyo dyan, kasi hindi pa natin afford mabilhan kayo ng domain lahat. And then I would like you to type in here telecall. Alright, so ito siya. Let me just, hindi ko pala maklik. Telecall dash 36. So 36 kasi yung inyong batch. Para naman dun sa batch 35, guys, please use 35, okay? Dash, ano yung last name natin? For example, Cruz, all small caps lang. And then, walang space sa yung first name nyo, John. Alright? Pag marami kayong first name, okay, yung unang first name lang. Okay na yan. And then, describe nyo lang kung ano yung website nyo. For example, Streamcaster, ang sample dito, is a streaming service, streaming website, music streaming website. Or if nahihirapan kayo sa paggawa ng copy or paggawa ng description, because this is very important, guys, you can use ChatGPT na lang, yung tinuro ko sa inyo, right? Just use it, okay? And then just change it if here and there. May words na you would like to change because depende sa words, ganda ng pagkaka-describe nyo or ganda ng mga copy nyo sa website nyo ang pagtaas nyo sa search engine, okay? But this one, I specifically want it not to appear on search engine, so I turned off this one. And ayoko ding mag-password protect. Huwag nyo i-password protect, guys, kasi hindi namin makikita ako ni Telecol at ni Tesda. Paano kung kailangan na naming tingnan? No, so huwag nyo lagyan ng password, huwag nyo i-search engine if you want to, but if you also want, then tick nyo tong um, button na to. And then link preview is enabled. Yes, just press yes. And then publish it, guys. So publish ko siya ha. So just wait for it to load. It will only take a couple of, seconds. Parang mas mabilis pa si Netlify. Alright. But I'm only allowing you guys to use Canva because we have one whole week of holiday season. So alam ko yung iba hindi masyadong nakagawa. So I'm giving you a chance and consideration to use Canva. But we really, really want um, if you can do it in VS Code, code editor, HTML, CSS, and upload it through Netlify or through your GitHub account. Okay, so as you can see, it's already prepared. It's even showing you a preview of the mobile view and the desktop view. So that's very nice. So when you view the website, it's already live. The only thing that I don't like about Canva is that ang bagal niya mag-load. Kasi may mga client na talagang, or actually sa business, um, it's very important for a website to load fast para hindi mawala yung visitor ng page. Okay? Kasi syempre pag naglo-load yan ng matagal, hindi mo na hintayin, lipat ka na ng iba. Alright? So I highly suggest Netlify, VS Code, HTML, and CSS. Use that. Okay? Alright. All right, so let's go back to VS Code. Okay, I haven't actually discuss this further, but I already gave you an idea and I already mentioned it before that in VS Code, you can definitely do what we did here in Canva. When you click on the navigation, although some of you already did this, when you click on the navigation, it goes to a specific section or it goes to a specific division or part of the website. So I'm going to show that to you when it comes to VS Code editor. So let's open VS Code then. Hindi ko lang masyadong na-emphasize last time nung na-mention ko to. But this is how you do it, guys. So let's try to close this one and close folder. Let me show you um, an example. Siguro yung kanina na lang. Ano kaya magandang example? Yes. Siguro yung kanina lang, yung footer, since yun din naman yung sample na in-upload natin. So just drag the folder, the project folder to your VS Code. All right. And then what we're gonna do now is to open it up. Click the index.html, click show preview so you know what you're working on. As you can see, I do have here, do I have navigation here? I don't think I don't. I don't think I have. Ala, lumipat-lipat siya. Okay. So what seems to be the problem here? Ayun, pumunta siya sa baba. Alright. Yan. May ni-remove lang ako. Alright. So ayan. As you can see, this is the website. Let me actually try to open it and okay in the browser so you can see it better. Where are you? There you go. So let me open it there. So here it is. This is just a sample. This is not a full-fledged website. This is just sample for footer. Footer lang actually ang topic natin nung diniscuss natin to. This part lang footer. But I would like to use the nav bar here. I would like to link, for example, the video. Pag kinlik natin yung video, pupunta dapat sa dito sa episode. Okay? So click natin kasi kailangan guys yung i-submit nyo lahat na gana na yung mga navigation ha. Hindi pwedeng yung display lang siya. Alright, so let's go to the VS Code. So itong video na yan, ito siya. Ito. Kung makikita nyo, wala pang laman. LIA href is walang laman. So, lagyan natin yung href ng laman. So, hanap tayo ng part dito. Ang part na gusto natin is itong latest episode. Kasi yan yung may video. Nasan ba yan? So, nandito yan. So, it's very important guys to create comment. Type in comment para hindi kayo naliligaw tulad nito. Right? So, ito siya nasa latest episode. Okay. Mhm. I-ano ko lang ha, i-word wrap ko lang. Other episode. Siguro let's do that in the other episode. Okay, dito na lang. Or kung gusto nyo dito sa latest episode, let's do the latest episode. So you can actually insert it to any element. Pwede nyo i-insert yung ID. So what we're gonna do is ID. So pwede nyo ilagay siya dito, H5 with an ID of ang lagay na lang natin is videos kasi yun yung inano natin eh. Videos. Yan. Or kung gusto nyo yung ID, ilagay na lang dito sa loob ng div. Dito sa may div class carousel. Pwede rin. Diyan sa huli. Alright? Walang problema. Kahit saan dyan, kung saan mo gustong ilagay. And then, pag na-declare na natin dito na itong H5 is may ID na video, kung gusto mo ilagay dyan, latest episode. Basta wag nyo lang lagyan ng space ha. Halimbawa, latest episode. Okay? Balik tayo dito sa navbar, sa video part. Ito siya, tama ba? Okay. Ilalagay natin sa href. Href means link. Ano yung source nung ano? Saan mo siya ililink to? So gusto ko siya ilink etong gusto ko siya i-link dito sa latest episode. So, nilagyan ko na ng ID dun sa baba, tama? Ang gagawin ko na lang is de-declare ko dito. Iko-call ko dito. So, hashtag, and then itatype ko yung videos. Yun ang pangalan nito eh, yung pinangalan ko dito eh. So, tingnan nga natin kung ano mangyayari. Let's click yung video kung pupunta dun sa latest. Ayun oh, pumunta na siya dito. So, pag click ko dyan, dito pumunta. Tingnan natin dito kung magre-reflect. So, ayan na yung ating ano. Ayun, napunta siya doon. Although, doon ko kasi siya nilagay dito eh. So, kaya doon siya napunta. Kung gusto nyo dito sa episode nyo ilagay, right? Para pag-click nyo dito, buong buo yung makikita ito. Alright? So that's how you actually link navigation to parts of website. If you want to link it to another page, halimbawa gumawa kayo ng another page, i-type nyo lang yung page URL. Okay, nasan ba yun? Let's go here. So halimbawa home or services, halimbawa gumawa kayo ng isang buong web page ng services na hiwalay dito. So i-type nyo lang yung link, halimbawa ang pangalan ng services or nung page na yun is anong movie trends to eh. So kunyari movie trends dot com slash services. Ayun, basta yung URL niya ilagay nyo dito ha. Para pag-click nyo yan, pupunta siya sa ibang page. Okay, so that's basically how you do that, guys. So now you will be able to publish your own website. Okay?